You're probably used to using the sum function to add up the numbers in a data set. But we can use what's called a sumif function that will add up just specific types of data in that data set. So for example, if we were a shop selling shoes, we might want to know how many shoes had sold rather than boots and slippers and sandals. Now I've made a note here, this is just a piece of text, to say I've added this up myself and we have sold 62 shoes, just so that we can check our answer against that. So we're going to use a sumif formula. So we start off equals and we type sumif. Open some brackets, and then you've got to tell it the range of data that you're going to be looking at. So we need to include the shoes, the boots, the slippers, and also the number sold, because Excel is going to look at the two columns for us. We put a comma to separate that. Then you've got to tell it what type of data you want it to look for, and we want it to look for shoe. Now Excel doesn't particularly like dealing with words, it prefers numbers, so we have to put any words into speech marks. So speech marks and shoe. Close the speech marks and put a comma so that we separate that part of the formula. And then the next thing that we need to do is tell it where it's going to find those numbers, and that's in this column. So we'll highlight that column, and then we close the brackets and press enter. And you see it's found 62 pairs of shoes. Now, just to check that's working, let's change the number. So we'll make that 6 pairs of shoes, and it should alter this formula here, and it does. So let's just do that formula one more time, just quite quickly. Equals sumif, open brackets, highlight the range of data that you're going to use, comma, put the word that you're going to check it against in speech marks, comma, highlight the column of data from which it's got to look that word up from, close your brackets and enter.